Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to quickly walk through how to set up user permissions for confidential projects on Asana. To start, you need to head to the main dashboard. The reason we do this is because it's the central hub where you can access all your projects and their settings. Now that we've done that, look for the project you want to set permissions for and click on it. If you have a lot of projects, use the search box at the top to find the one you need. This step helps us because it allows us to drill down to the specific project where we need to set permissions. Next up, on the Projects page, navigate to the Members tab. This is where you control who has access to the project and what they can do. Now let's add a member. Click on the plus add button and type in the name of the person you want to add. Select their name from the drop-down list. The reason we do this is because it's how we give specific individuals access to the project. But here's the crucial part, setting their permissions. To the right of their name, click on the drop-down menu. You'll see Can Edit, Can Comment, and Can View. Choose the one that best suits this person's role in the project. Let me explain why this matters. Can Edit allows the person to make changes to the project. Can Comment lets them provide input without making changes, and Can View only allows them to see the project, not make any changes or comments. This helps us because it allows us to control who can access sensitive project information and what they can do with it, keeping the project secure and organized. And that's it. You've just set up user permissions for a confidential project in Asana. Remember, you can adjust these settings anytime as your project evolves. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.